All right, welcome back. In this problem, we are going to find the length of each side of the irregular hexagon. The hexagon, all the sides are congruent, but the angles are not congruent. The hexagon is inside of the square, and each side of the square is 1. If you want to solve this on your own, pause the video, because I'm going to solve this in just a few seconds. If you have a friend who might find this video interesting, please forward it to them. Okay, let's go. Each side of the hexagon is congruent, so that makes this side over here also x. That makes this side over here x. This side of the square from the top to the bottom is also 1. So this length of the side is going to be 1 minus x. This side over here is also 1 minus x. So these two sides are congruent, which makes this top triangle and the bottom triangle an isosceles right triangle, better known as a 45-45-90 right triangle. In a 45-45-90 right triangle, if you know the hypotenuse, then to find one of the legs, all you do is take the hypotenuse, x, and divide it by root 2. So what that does is that makes this whole side of the square, x plus x over root 2, equal to 1. So now what I want to do is I'm going to factor out the x. So this becomes x times the quantity of 1 plus 1 over root 2 equals 1. So then this becomes x equals 1 divided by 1 plus 1 over the square root of 2. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify this because we don't want a radical down here in the denominator. So we're going to multiply by the conjugate, which is 1 minus 1 over the square root of 2 in the numerator and the denominator. And we're going to simplify this. And the whole point of this is we're getting rid of the radical in the denominator. So this becomes 1 minus 1 over the square root of 2 over first terms, you get 1. Outside and inside terms cancel out. And then the last terms, this becomes minus 1 over the square root of 4. And the square root of 4 is 2, so this becomes x equals 1 minus 1 over the square root of 2 over 1 minus 1 half. And then 1 minus 1 half is simply a half, so this becomes x is equal to 1 minus 1 over the square root of 2 over 1 half. I'm going to take this up here, and now what I'm going to do is instead of dividing by 1 half, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal, and multiplying by the reciprocal is going to be timesing the top by 2. So this becomes 2 times 1 minus 1 over the square root of 2. X is equal to 2 times 1, which is 2. 2 times negative 1 over root 2 is negative 2 over root 2. Again, we have a radical down here, so we're going to rationalize the denominator by multiplying by root 2 over root 2. X is equal to 2 minus 2 root 2 over the square root of 4. X is equal to 2 minus 2 root 2 over 2. These 2's are going to cancel out. X is equal to 2 minus the square root of 2. And that is our final answer. I hope you found this problem interesting. If you enjoyed this video and like to see more, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the next video.